Faction is saying that the party leadership should be changed.
I have said in the past, whatever be the confusion has to be clarified. If the party, see, our president has resigned twice, Mr. Girish Chandra. I am of the opinion that the High Command should take a call, accept his resignation or reject the resignation. Let there be clarity once and for all. As far as leadership is concerned, I don't think anybody is refusing to work with him. Anybody, you see, there can always be differences of opinion. I believe I am the best. You believe you are the best. But I know for sure that once this issue is resolved, once clarity is there, all will work together.
But you don't think it is time now, because the elections are fast approaching, that the people get a clear indication about who is going to lead the Congress for the elections now?
What do you mean by who's going to lead? You mean in
the assembly elections?
No, assembly elections, I understand. But are you referring to chief minister candidate? Are you referring
no,
to
the party leadership?
Party, it's in process. No? It's already in process.
Last time we spoke to leaders, they said, a lot of people said, no, even losing Palwara has been vocal, saying that he's not accepting the leadership in Goa.
The fact is, they've all gone to Delhi. They have presented their views to the High Command. I believe High Command is seized of the issue and they will shortly give whatever clarification is to be given. For example, Mr. Gundurao has come. If you see at his schedule, he's got tomorrow 6 block meetings. He's visiting 6 blocks. Isn't that an indication that the party is working? What makes you feel that the party is not working?
The basic feeling is because 6 leaders have gone together to meet Rahul Gandhi last time.
No, they were called.
Yeah, they were
See,
called.
There was a difference.
They went in different flights, came back in different flights.
No. There's nothing that says we have to go in the same flight.
No, there were internal differences between them.
Discrepancies were there. I said difference of opinion. You see, you have got your opinion, I have got my opinion. We are living in a democratic country. End of the day, has anybody said that they will not accept the decision of the High Command? Nobody has said that. Everybody has gone to present his case. The Congress committee for some months now. We have elections coming shortly. So they are gearing up the party here for the elections. That is their agenda.
Sir, the alliance discussion that party is claiming that they already got an approval for alliance. Here they are saying not yet discussed. So what is this?
What did the party say? I am in discussion with All India Congress Committee. So how will we know here what is in discussion with All India Congress?
But will you take up the agenda today when your leader has arrived?
If they are discussing directly there, why we are going to get involved? Let it be at their level.
Okay.